Do these two things go together?
Yeah.
Watch and find out.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Dan and I, I'll be Derek.
About to make you a treat.
Oh, this is going to be awesome. I'm so looking forward to this. This is called the Vampiro. This was a suggestion via Facebook from Samuel. I did some research. I wrote down some notes. This is kind of traditional Mexican at this point drink. You can probably find it there. All right.
He's not liking this.
Well, Dan ponders
We're just going to take these two things
and add a bunch of
add
stuff.
some sweetness and some fire.
yeah. So here's
yeah, awesome.
this is going to be the recipe. 2 ounces of reposado tequila, 1 ounce of tomato juice, orange juice, and lime juice. A half ounce of grenadine, 7 drops of hot pepper sauce. You know what? We don't have to go 7 with this. Just saying. 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of pepper.
All right.
Okay, Dan.
All right.
Right now, you like Bloody Marys.
I do like Bloody Marys.
Do you like tequila?
I love tequila.
You're in. You're 100%.
I love Bloody Marys with tequila. But taking orange juice.
You have a problem with orange juice.
I have a problem with orange juice. I like orange juice, but not with tomato juice.
I think you're going to find out. You're going to love
it. Maybe it's going to be great. Probably not. But we're going to find out. As long as we're drinking some almond tequila, that's probably going to make it
Alma's going to blow your mind in this recipe. Now, neither of us ever had this.
Before we do that,
you're gonna get your chaser. No, that's the chaser, right? This would be the drink, and that's the chaser.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is really good.
You drink the tequila.
It's very smooth.
And then you chaser. That is
not harsh at all.
You can go to almadeagave.com if you want to check out more on Alma.
It's really good.
So we've been good friends with the Alma folks for years. This is the first time I went out and said, hey, we should partner up and I'm going to do this tequila month, and they were all in. Like literally last notice, 3 days to go before the filming, and I'm like, want to do this? And they helped me out and got it done. So that was pretty impressive. They're that agile. On top of which they make good products. On top of which they have one of everything to represent. So besides the mixto, because that's crap. They've got your Blanco, the Reposado, the Añejo, and of course the Extra Añejo, which is kind of more of a special edition, I think, or at least for most brands because it's so old. Resting. I took notes this time because I always get this part wrong. So,
half ounce of grenadine.
You're gonna need it.
It's gonna be like fucking teriyaki sauce with like tomato.
No, there's no Worcestershire in this one.
Yeah, that's true.
There was other ones I had though. The Blanco. Oh, I'm dying. So the Blanco. I had Mexican food for dinner, so this is a no. The Blanco is 50 days aged in cask, stainless steel. I wouldn't do 7 because that's not dashable.
No.
Hold
on.
You got this.
1, 2. Oh, that's like 6.
It's a million Scoville.
Yeah, those 3 Scoville. That was a big 3.
Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. So, and I love this stuff. I'll talk about this in a second after I get through these. 6 months for the Reposado, 18 months for the Añejo, and then 5 years all aged in Canadian oak for the Extra Añejo. I don't know where you can get this. These ones I know you can get at liquorama.net. You can go to their website and you can click on it to buy. You can also grab more information, but I wrote most of it down. I scanned their website to try and figure out if there's anything cool to talk about. Are you still worried?
No, I'm just making sure that I got everything. That's all.
It is. We have.
It doesn't look like it's not gonna be that bad.
We did jump up in recipe creation. So a little bit on the history because this was intriguing. I got the recipe, like I said, from Samuel. I did some research, and Oscar Hernandez, 50 years ago, created this recipe at a fruit stand.
Fruit stand?
Yeah. He sells fruit.
I got some tomatoes.
Well, he sells fruit, and he was hot, so he would make a drink, this drink for himself, and he would drink it, and people were like, "What are you drinking?" And he said, "Oh, I made this drink." And they would try it and like, this is really good. So people would keep coming back. So he's like, hey, you know what makes sense? Whenever my regulars come back, because tourists just keep going through, when the regulars come back, if they're going to keep asking for these, I'll just keep serving them and then, keep your repeat business. And then years go by, word travels, and people are showing up just for this drink. So he starts this entire process. Now there's lines of people, like today, like in now times.
Yeah.
Lines of people line up for this drink on their way through town.
So it must be good.
And the best part, it's served in a plastic bag.
In a plastic bag?
We're going to do it in glass because it's legit.
We should do it in a bag.
It's a bag with a straw, and you just suck it right out of there. Now, this isn't the exact recipe.
Ooh.
Oh, we've done that before. That's the ice. What did we call it? We had a name for that.
That looks.
We get a couple on.
That looks really good.
We don't remember any of them. Right, Vampiro. Think blood, like a bag of blood.
Yeah.
Right. Boom. It's not that bad.
No.
Now, there's people online, you find at least 3 or 4 different variations. I was going through this. This isn't what Oscar does because he creates a sangrita, which is kind of like tomato juice and a lot of this stuff kind of built as a separate mixer. Then you pour it in with the tequila.
Yeah.
We just basically combine them together. He also uses squirt in some ratio.
Squirt's good.
Now you got like a Paloma thing going on.
Squirts, yeah.
Right, it's supposed to be refreshing. And this is...
Where did the Grenadine come from, though?
He used Grenadine.
He used Grenadine?
Yeah. To get the red color, I think.
He was like, oh, yeah, look at all my fruit. Oh, by the way, I have a bottle of Grenadine right here.
Why not?
How is
Make
it?
this fruit even sweeter.
Oh.
It's not hot enough, is it?
No, but it does, I think I'm getting dizzy. It does ramp up a little bit. But it's not too bad.
It's what I thought it was going to be. It's not bad. At first, you're like, oh, you know, you get the tomato, but you have some little strange sweetness. And then the orange juice kind of hits, and the orange juice
You
and
still
the
stick
tomato
with
juice.
the orange juice? Orange
Yeah,
juice
they
tomatoes.
kind of fight each other, and then all of a sudden it's a little hot. It would have been if I added like a couple more drops. Actually, it's probably the right spice.
It's the right
level
spice
for
for
this.
most people.
Yeah.
I mean, this doesn't really bother me. This is, I think you did pretty good when we made chicken wings. Well, I think we made chicken wings with this at one point. It's got a little bit more of like an Asian zing, like it has that.
It's got the right amount of spice.
This
The
has
spice
more
is
of like
good.
that ginger, Asian flavor to it. Not now. I'm guessing he would probably use Cholula. I think that's another one of those that has a lot more defined character, not very spicy. Like Cholula's not hot to me. So
It's interesting with the sweetness.
Just because Alma happens to be helping us out here doesn't mean you can't be honest about your opinion. This is not a drink that you like, and you knew it.
Well, I already
now,
drank the tequila by itself,
So you chased
which
it.
was very good.
So
The
did this
drink?
meet your expectations? Like you went into this going orange juice and tomato juice. I don't think that's gonna happen.
Yeah, it went.
still
My
doesn't happen?
expectations have definitely lived up.
I like this
You would drink that?
probably more.
You would drink that whole thing.
Oh yeah, no problem.
My bullshit meter just went boop 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 boop. Well, no, you can't drink the whole thing because they need to drink it.
I'm not drinking that.
Oh yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
It's
not like awful. I mean, it's not like it's not awful where like you want to spit it out.
It's refreshing.
It's basically take a tequila
You're not gonna try
Bloody
it.
Mary.
No, I hate tomato juice.
Take a tequila Bloody Mary. Take a tequila Sunrise, which that's what it is. It actually is because you have the Grenadine and you just jam them together.
Right, but I'm not a huge fan of a Bloody Mary, but I like a tequila Sunrise. So
I like them both.
you just not together.
Separate.
I like them both. Just
So it's like a turducken.
But you don't like pickle ice cream.
yeah, exactly. Yeah.
I like fried ice cream.
Fried ice cream.
I mean, maybe a pregnant woman would like it. That.
Yeah, that's true. Well, except for the alcohol problem.
But do you like it?
I don't dislike it. I was expecting to dislike it. When I saw the recipe, I was like, tomato. I don't like a lot of things with tomato juice, but it's not savory.
It's
It doesn't have the savory.
It's not savory at all.
That's the part I'm okay with because I'm not a big fan of savory cocktails. I don't like to eat cocktails like it's a dinner.
I do.
Right. This to me is just it's like a tequila. It's like a spicy tequila Sunrise to me. Like it doesn't bother me.
But it's got like. See,
It does
I
have
like
a weird
tomato juice.
tomato sweetness to it. It's like a sweet tomato. Okay, so you like if you had a sauce like a tomato sauce. Do you
Yeah.
like a sauce that's more tangy? You don't like the sweet sauces, or like pizzas that have the sweet sauces?
No. I don't
See,
like sweet sauce.
Right, I can tolerate it.
Pineapple salsa?
No, I like that.
That's true. I don't like pineapple sauce.
I like pineapple salsa.
This is kind of
See,
like
I like mangoes like and tomatoes together. I'm telling you, it's just
Maybe you need some salt in that.
probably. I put some
You
in.
put salt in
Okay.
it.
No, never mind.
I think it needs a little bit more spicy, but it does have enough spicy that it's not missing. Like you can't miss the spice.
No,
But
yeah.
I'm also using a million Scoville foods.
Yeah, it's a good amount of spice. It could be a little bit spicier, but I mean, then it's just like, oh, I got some like weird sweetness in my mouth, and then my mouth's hot.
Yeah.
Like you know what I mean? Like it's not.
It's like
I
a
said-
roller coaster of flavor. This is made by High River Sauces. So if you've ever watched Hot Ones and they had the scorpion Was it Scorpion? Was that the sauce we have? Scorpion?
The what?
Isn't it called Scorpion? The High River sauce. It was one of the Hot One sauces at one point.
Yeah,
Something Scorpion.
tomato juice and orange juice do not go
Maybe
together
it's
for
not.
me. I've had a riff on this drink before that I thought was going to be awesome because I like both drinks.
No.
But, no.
You don't have to be the biggest fan, but you should, unlike Jennifer, at least try it.
Oh, definitely. I mean, it's not like...
It is different.
I'm not going to spit it out. Like, it's not that bad.
Right.
Like, if you like the two tastes together, then...
I
And you're
like
not,
things
and you're
that
not
are
a wuss
spicy.
like Jen, and you can actually just taste something for what it is, but...
Yeah.
Yes, you can.
You know what makes this better?
4 fingers, Jen.
I don't know where all the other 4 fingers are.
What makes this better is that nice fat daub of reposado you threw in there from Alma. That's what did it.
This, the first taste I had,
Yeah.
much better than the drink.
So you can try either way. You can drink Alma straight,
keep-
or you can make a Vampiro.
Just keep the orange juice out and the Grenadine.
I won't
and
tell
just-
Oscar Hernandez that you don't like his cocktail.
Well, I'm sure not everybody likes this cocktail.
That's true. Fine.
I like them separated.
Good enough. We'll separate them next time.
It's a fusion. Don't yell at me.
So he didn't like the fusion. Here's a fusion for you. Down below is the bartender surrogate for Monster Drinks, the sidebar, all of our tequila cocktails ever. I have them in order, I hope. I have them in order of release.
Of course
so if
you
you
do.
start watching,
Of course.
you're watching this. And then you're watching the something or others with me.
That was
then you're watching
that was a good one.
Tequila Sunrise. And then you're watching whatever else I create. So it's all, you know what? I'm taking up too much of your time. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.